Jonah. Jonah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy 6-month birthday, dear Jonah. Happy birthday to you. Sweetie.
Many more.
Happy birthday.
Hello, sweetheart.
Happy birthday.
6 months old today. 6 months old today, little bear. Yeah. Yes, sweetie. Oh, somebody has to wake up. Little darling. Hi. Hi, little sweetheart. You had a long nap. Didn't you, honey? You of the cat nap variety? You had a very long nap. Were you dreaming? Were you dreaming sweet dreams? Hope so. Hey, little bear.
Sweetheart.
What is that thing?
Sweetie.
What is that thing Daddy's holding on to? Hey, you got Lunifer. You've been Lunifered. Hello, little bear. Are you coming awake now? Are you coming awake now? You can tell us all about your dreams. Yeah, you and the other bears dancing in the forest. Yeah. Hi. Hi, sweetie. You look at my watch. You know what time it is? You know what time it is? It's time to get your birthday cake out of the oven. That's what time it is. Yeah, I better go get it. I better go get it. I seriously do have to get it.
Okay. Where's Mommy going?
I gotta check your birthday cake, sweetie. I gotta check your birthday cake. Yeah. I gotta check your birthday cake.
Yeah.
Hey, sweetheart.
Hi, sweetie. Hi. You want to say hello? You want to say hello?
Let's put his mouth on it.
What's up, Slater boy? Huh? What's up, little boy? Yeah. Let me see. Tastes good.
I bet cake's better.